Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today we're going to talk about the hidden features in the Dell Latitude 5414, 5420, 5424. Basically, the features that are hidden in that unit would be, which you probably never heard of this, but the quad cooling thermal management system that Dell Latitude rugged laptops come with. This is actually an extra fan in the laptop that helps keep your unit cool whenever you're really stressing that processor. Some other features include the touchscreen. So yeah, everybody knows it has a touchscreen, but did you know that they are daylight readable, typically with up to 1,000 nits rating? If you don't know what a nit is, go read my blog about it, or even watch my video about nit ratings. It also has glove mode, so if you're wearing gloves, you'd be able to use your touchscreen. And in some cases, now it depends on the specific model, may have rain mode, which allows you to use the touchscreen even whenever it's drizzling. Because keep in mind, on the Dell rugged laptops, they are semi-rugged and fully rugged, and they meet those direct water, jet spray water resistant settings for the military standard. But that's kind of all they got for you, the Dell. They didn't have a lot of hidden features in the Dell, but if you know of some that I haven't mentioned, please leave it in the comments. I respond to all my comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.